Hey, hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set cards on your YouTube videos using Android phone. In previous video I told you how you can set end screen, so if you not watch this video, so go and watch that video first. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can set cards on your YouTube videos. So if you don't know what is card, then I'll show you. So when you open any video, you will get cards. You can see on three dot option, you will get from Mahesh Technicals. You will see these type of videos playlist here. Okay, you can set these cards according to you, according to your time, according to your minutes in your video. It will pop up automatically on your video. Okay, so it will generate more views, more subscribers for your YouTube channel, so it will more helpful for you. Okay, so let's set some cards on your YouTube videos. For that, open in Chrome browser and click here desktop site. Okay, see that desktop site. After that, just click here and type youtube.com. Okay, after that, just go to your logo section. If you not log in, then log in. I already logged in. Click on YouTube Studio, long press on that and click on open in new tab. After that, again click on desktop site. Okay, now it will open Creator Studio. Now go here and click on video section here. After that, you will get your all videos here. Now you need to select which video you want to show cards. Okay, so I'm going to select this one. So just click on that video and click on edit button. Okay, click on edit button. It will open some settings here. Go right side and you will get end screen and cards option here. So in previous video I'll show you how you can use end screen. So right now I'm going to use cards. So here you will get timeline. So where you want to show for your first card, you can set this using this timeline. Okay, so I'm going to set this first here. So I'm going to set first playlist here. So click on playlist and select any playlist. So this video is all about Facebook, so I'm going to select my Facebook playlist here. Okay, first card is set. You can see on right side your screen, you can see that. Okay, it's set successfully. After that, you can change timeline here. So where you want to put second card here, so I'm going to set card for a video or a playlist. You can set anything like video, playlist, channel or link. Okay, so you can set cards according to your choice. So I'm going to set one more here card. You can see. After that, just change timeline and you can use cards. Okay guys, so it is very simple process to adding cards. So minimum you can use 4 cards or maximum you can use, but I recommend you to use only 4 cards in your YouTube videos, so it is better. Okay, so I'm going to add one more card here. Okay, you can set step by step guys. You can set, it is very easy process. After that, just click on save and your cards will save. So you can now able to see your cards. But after applying your card settings here, it will take some time to appear. Okay guys, it will take 5 to 10 minutes to appear on your video. So don't worry guys, your cards will appear after some time. So right now it is not showing. So just open again and try. No guys, still not showing. It will take some time guys, 5 to 10 minutes it will take. After that, it will show on your video. So it is very simple process. I hope you understand how you can use cards on your YouTube video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. You will get more YouTube tips and tricks playlist in my video description, so you can check out. And thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video.